Are you the same Jonathan David Dash who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 5546 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1? Penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on July 26, 2021 for a period of 4 years. Is that you? State.
Violating condition number 1 on or about the 28th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jonathan David Dash, committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. It's to alter and amend to extend the defendant for 2 years on probation. And then in addition to that, it's going to be ISP, mental health, and GPS for 6 months.
That is our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor. And I do also have a witness I would like to call whenever the court
Sure.
finds it appropriate.
All right. Defense?
Thank you. Christine, what is your relationship to Jonathan?
Husband, been married 25 years. I wrote this down because I know it's going to get emotional.
Let me ask and then you answer, okay?
Just give this to her.
Your Honor,
I know you're not allowed to. You have to ask. They'll ask you questions, and then you need to answer the questions.
Yeah, it's like menopause, so I really know I'm gonna get real emotional about this. I'm sorry.
You said you've been married for 25 years?
Yes, sir. Have.
Okay, and you were with Jonathan when he picked up this first case? And then when he picked up, or I guess when he picked up this new case, you guys were separated at that time, is that correct?
Correct, sir.
And at that time, was he living with you?
No, sir.
He was homeless at that time, is that correct?
Right, that is correct, yes, sir.
And after he picked up this new case, he went to treatment. He has since come home. Is that correct?
Right, that is correct.
And how is he doing now since he's returned home?
He's doing so much better. I actually haven't seen this like side of him. We've been together for such a long time, and I've seen him with his ups and downs. I've seen him with his like mental states. I've seen him off his meds. I've seen him on his meds.
And he's on his meds now?
Oh, all of them. I haven't ever seen this like side of him. He's like done a complete like 180 turn that I've like never seen. I'm real like proud of him. He's become a part of his kid's life again. And yeah, I'm really proud of him. I haven't seen this side.
And does he lives with you now?
Right.
And does he help you with the bills and with paying for the house?
Yes, sir.
Would you
He's very helpful now.
Would you be able to manage without his help?
I could really use it. It's been hard. I've got 2 kids with autism. Our kids have autism. And yeah, it's been pretty hard without them.
But again,
I really need them. Yeah.
Would you say that since he's returned home, he seems committed to getting his life on the right track?
He's been helping out so much. I mean, you can like look at him like he's like gained like 60 pounds. He's like become like a new person. He like helps us out so much. He spends time with the kids, which really means a lot.
All right, so let me just tell everybody, here's the question. 1, neither person wants him revoked. Is that correct?
Yes,
That is correct, Your Honor.
It appears there is a drug issue here. Is that correct?
yes.
Has he been UA today?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. He has been negative, or on every test he's taken, it was negative. He had some diluted.
Oh, well,
he is pre-diabetic.
all right, we can do a UA now today.
Okay. And after he picked up this new case, he went to ISF. So he's been in treatment, Your Honor, and he's adamant that he has not been using.
All right, so let's do a UA and then
I have
we'll
no
go
further
from there.
questions for this witness, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
We're back on the record in 2021 CR 5546, State of Texas versus Jonathan Dash. What were the results of the UA?
They were, Your Honor.
All right. All right, and probation?
Negative, Judge.
Mr. Dash, what are you all requesting?
Judge, the court summary indicates amend conditions to include ISP, mental health, the MIC unit and GPS for 6 months. I would agree with Mr. Escobar in regards to the 2-year extension.
All right. So the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include ISP, the MIC. There's going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days and extend for 2 years.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And state what is happening with the new case.
Yeah, we'll take that into consideration.
All right, and they will take in consideration 2024 CR 1418. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Your Honor, there was one thing I wanted to address as far as the GPS fees. He is working, he's driving DoorDash right now, so he can make some money.
I didn't order GPS.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was part of our, okay.
No problem. Hello.
Apologize for the shorts. I apologize.
All right, so you know that's not appropriate attire.
I have nothing else. I apologize.
Okay.
I haven't been in court so long. I keep forgetting.
All right. Winter does happen. Winter is coming, so you got to make sure you at least have one pair of pants. And for court, this is the thing, and I would always tell my client this all the time. You don't have to wear a suit and tie. If you have one, great. I would always try to make sure my clients had a suit and tie, but it's not 100% necessary. But you do need to have long pants. All right. Understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, even though I say hard fought, we've been back and forth, and it's been a spirited exchange. She's been a very good client. She's very regretful of her actions. She's hoping you follow the plea bargain as presented for the court. Give her credit for all time served. And I might want to suggest when she gets TDC, taking some type of drug treatment.
Okay. All right. Do you have children?
Yes, I have one.
How old?
9.
And who are they with?
With my godmother.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 42 months in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. All right. We can go off the record. You're going to have to change your life because your 9-year-old, you're really supposed to be taking care of the 9-year-old, not somebody else.
Yes.
And when you're released from custody, don't go over to the house acting as though you're the mother of the year, and you're putting down your own rules. You got to slowly integrate yourself back in. But if you're not going to get your life in order, stop hanging around people who are not good people to hang around, and stop using drugs. Don't even bother going to your child's house or anything of that nature, because each time you go and they put their faith and trust in you and you don't follow through, you break their hearts. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.